On a dark and windy Halloween night, the familiar construction site starts to seem a little eerie. Let's read Construction Site Gets a Fright. Great big trucks don't trick or treat. They load, they lift, they mix concrete. But they dressed up today for fun, and now a busy day is done. Still, spooky things are on their minds, and even trucks get scared sometimes. And on this windy Halloween, things aren't always what they seem. Crane truck wakes up with a scare. Eek! Is that a monster over there? He rolls to take a closer look. He'll catch that monster with his hook. He lifts his boom, and then he sees just branches wiggling in the breeze. Something grazes dump truck's bed, then brushes up against his head. What is that flying through the sky? Gasp! Was that a witch that just flew by? Click! Headlights on, and look, he's found just caution tape blowing around. Bulldozer opens up his eyes. There's something big. It's twice his size. It's a giant, huge and hairy, looking angry, mean, and scary. He'll shove that giant with his blade. But it's just a pile of dirt he made. Skid Steer hears an eerie sound. She lifts her boom and spins around. Something frightening squeaks and creaks, and then that scary something shrieks. Vroom! Skid Steer does not hesitate. She captures one loose rusty gate. Cement mixer wakes and starts to stir when something floats by in a blur. He takes a look, then shouts in fear. Wake up! Wake up! A ghost is here! Now all the trucks come driving out. What's this ruckus all about? And someone chuckles gleefully. It's not a ghost, it's only me. Wind blew a tarp into the sky, and then it landed on this guy. All the trucks can't wait to share stories of how they got a scare. With laughter, love, and good friends near, they know that there's nothing to fear. The spooky feelings are all gone. But they will leave just one light on. Good night, construction team, and happy, happy Halloween! Remember to like this video,